Oh, look at that, he's picked up the camera. Alright, good morning YouTube. Welcome back to another video. I'm pretty much just making this because there's someone walking past. I got a little bit of social anxiety. He's an old fella too. He probably like, what the hell is he doing? Insert meme 5 minutes later. Alright, so I'm basically just jumping on here to make another video because I feel like I've been in a very, very vulnerable position recently. As you might be able to tell with my face, can't see my body just yet. I have lost a significant amount of size, and part of that has been trapped in a rut. And I feel like part of that rut has come from lack of structure and routine in my day-to-day life. Like I used to enjoy waking up, going for a morning walk, coming back, meal one, work, and then pre-workout meal, go train. And recently it hasn't been like that. It's been waking up, eat, work, train. It's just been all over the show, and it's very scary. It might not sound much to you guys, but the importance of having gosh, this camera's heavy. The importance of having like a regimented routine in your day-to-day life is so important. So that is why I am jumping on here, and I am going to document the next 7 days daily uploads for the next 7 days. It's just a little challenge I want to do to myself to get myself accountable on getting stuck into a routine again. So that is why we're up now, getting a bit of grounding. I feel like grounding is so important. If you're like me and likes outdoors and all that in between, you can tell I'm puffed. Like, I have lost a significant amount of weight just for not feeling Charles, you could say. So that is why I'm here. Like I said, to get on with my routine, find my normality again, and find that wee spark to actually make me want to train, because I haven't been wanting to train. Like, I just haven't felt a soul-felt purpose to train. And some of you now probably be like, but you're going to compete, you're going to compete. Yeah, I want to compete. That's it. I do want to compete. But while I'm like this, do I think competing is going to be good? I'm at a dead end. No, I don't think competing is probably going to be the best for me, because I don't know if I'll be able to adhere to anything. So that is why I'm putting in the foundations now, getting the block work done, and I will be stepping on stage on October the 10th for the first time in many years. So we've got a lot of building and making up to do for the physique. That's why I'm going to call this series The Rebuild. Just a little mini series, see what I can put on in the next 7 days. I'll insert some chicken photos there. So that is me last Saturday, and it is Monday today. Monday the 5th. Monday the 5th, is it? Let me pull up my wire. Yeah, it is Monday the 5th. Can you see that? Can you focus? Perfecto. Monday the 5th. I had a notification. Who's that from? Connor McSorley. Anyways, let's get on with the day. I'm going to go back. Meal one has just currently been nuked in the microwave. Fuck, guys, I am so bad at yapping. I've just been yapping away this whole time to you. And go back, eat that, bit of YouTube, and then I'm going to get cracking on some work because I've got some programs to write. So many people have I can't even speak. So many people have actually asked, what do I do for work? I have three to four sources of income coming in at the moment, which I'm extremely grateful for. So that is what I'm currently doing. Alright, as you can see, meal one is going down. 100 grams of oats, 200 grams of yogurt, 30 grams of dates, and 15 grams of peanut butter. Now, last week this meal took me 45 minutes to eat, and if you know me, that is not like me one bit. Um, I'd quite often just demolish the meals. You know, I'm a hungry person, but I haven't been able to stomach or even want to eat any food. So right now, after that morning walk, I'm feeling like I want to eat. So I will say this is going to take me probably under 5 minutes to eat now, which is a good sign. It means I'm feeling a bit more like myself, or a bit more like regimented with my routine and stuff again, which is, you know, routine isn't all bad. You've got to have flexibility in it at the same time. All right. Oh God, that's heavy. Fuck. Uh. Mm. Oh yeah. There we go. That's good. Other side now. Fuck, I feel like I need a drink. Nah. Okay, number two. Oh, fuck, a few burps. Four, five. Oh, set one done. It's like that. So first exercise in single arm cable rows. They felt alright, to be fair. I mean, oh, shut up, Siri. Don't you hate that your watch just listens in? Yeah, not experiencing too much elbow pain, something I've been dealing with for a long time. But now on to upper back bias lat pull downs. I think after this I've got chest supported T-bar. Oh, hi. You guys can't see that. And then what do I do after that? I think some leg stuff, RDLs and shit. So see how we get on with this. My gosh, it's a spectacular view. If you know, you know. Ugh, fuck, oh God, maxed it out. Rebuild time. Rebuild. Big back. Big back. Yep. Oh, yep. Ugh. 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 Oof. Come on, mother trucker. Oh, shit. Ugh, maxed it out. Still got it. Round two. Slightly lighter. Still a small, scrawny looking toad. That's alright. Oh. Oh. Uh. Oh. Come on, two more. Oh, no, that was ugly. 10 to 12. As Randy Rambold once said, big back. Can't have a big back when I got no music playing. Okay. Oh, gosh, that takes how long. Next up, we have two sets of RDLs. We'll see how the back holds up. because it's not bulletproof. But we'll just see how we get on. What are you on here? 140 at the moment. Better put on my ripper grippers. I aim for 220. See how we get on. Start this phase off strong. Let's go from there. Nothing like a bit of fucking power rate, eh? Goodness. Right. See how 140 feels. Okay. Oh. Pick the legs. Oh. Yeah, not too shabby. Oh. Oh. Ooh. First set. Always the worst set, right? But good, look at the positive. First set, best set. There we go. Better buckle myself in. There we go. Oh, shit. Oh, gosh. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's heavy. Oh, one more. One more. Oh, oh, come on. Oh, oh fuck. Oh. Maybe used to be a fan of this leg press. It's kind of good for hamstring focus. Oh. Something about that session really took it out of me, my gosh. I think it's a mixture of doing two of your biggest body parts of the week, being like your back, being it's got so many muscles to it, and then hamstrings, or essentially full legs. I just sat down in my car and it even hurt to jump up in my truck. It's a little bit higher off the ground, but I can't imagine what it'd feel like getting down to a lower car. But overall, good session. I've got baseline numbers now going into next week. I'm really happy I started the Monday out this way. That's one of my biggest take homes from today, is being productive, proactive, and getting back into routine. And that is what we are doing. So I had a really good session. Thank you for asking. And I'm just going to drive home, and I might pick up the camera when I'm home. But if not, I will see you. I'll see you in my next video, I guess. Tomorrow's video, which will be push day. How good. Ciao for now.